Alright, what's up everybody? This your boy Keenan, fresh home from work, and I'm about to whip up a little snack. A little after work snack. Yeah, that's right. It's time for another snackages. Check it. So what I got here, I got 1 can of sardines. That's it. Sardines. My wife went ahead and got the bones out and minced it up for me. And kind of remind me of that scene from The Burbs. Yeah. And to that, we got grated onion. That's a couple tablespoons of grated onion. Some habanero that we had pickling in some vinegar. And then to that, we're going to add some mayonnaise. I got some mayonnaise right here. Have a little sprinkle of black pepper on there just for a little color. And then we're going to drizzle some of the vinegar that the habaneros have been sitting there. This stuff is very versatile and goes with a lot of things. And then I'm going to go ahead and eat that with some crackers and some sharp cheddar. Alright, so we got everything mixed up. Yeah, and this is for the sardine lovers. It's real simple to do, something real quick and easy you can put together. Breakfast, lunch, you want a little dinner snack, a little late night snack, just don't have no secrets after you eat it. Alright, so let me show you how I like to put it together. So I got these little crackers here, and as you can see, they got a little groove on them. And man, these is pretty cool, but the sad part about it, they was on closeout. So I don't know if I'll be able to get those again. And this is how I like to put it together. I'm going to go ahead and give me a little piece of sharp cheddar. Extra sharp cheddar. And then here you go with the little mix. We're going to put a little bit right there. Little hors d'oeuvre. Little hors d'oeuvre right there. You got the sharpness of the cheddar that's going to cut through with the sweetness of the mayonnaise. And then you got them habaneros and that vinegar coming through. And the onion. Alright, here we go. That's on point. That cheddar knock off that super strong fish taste. I know a lot of people don't like sardines, but man, that's on point. Alright, so now let me show you how I want to do it. I'm going to put a little twist on it. Check this out. So yeah, now we're going to put the Keenan on it. And we went ahead and got some bacon done in the oven. Oh yeah. I don't know if anybody ever ate bacon and sardines before, but I am. So we're going to get a nice little piece of cheddar. We're going to get a little piece of bacon right there, fresh out the oven. Love oven bacon. And we're going to get a little dollop of that. Make sure we get some of that habanero on there. Alright, it's a new hors d'oeuvre. We just made this up. It's Keenan's hors d'oeuvre, sardine hors d'oeuvres with bacon, baby. Notice the eyes closed. Man, that is good. That is on point. Also, as you can see, I got some toast here. You can go ahead and whip you up a little sandwich, toast you up some bread. You don't have to put nothing on it. Bread, spread, eat. You can put some cheese, you can add some bacon to it. But hey, this is on point. That is on point right there. That is on point. So, for all those out there who figure like I don't like sardines, or I should eat them when I was little, and I ate too many, this was a struggle meal. Struggle meal. And a lot of us have been a part of that. So this is a new way for you to whip up something old to put a new little twist on it. Everybody be safe out there. Everybody be cool out there. Continue to wear the mask, use common sense. Appreciate everybody checking me out. This is your boy Keenan. You know the snackage is for the Sardine Lovers.